We now move to the next IMexI Commitment Prize, and this is a Commitment Plus Prize. A site that runs on ownership and discipline, delivering a 10% capacity uplift, slashing customer line defects from 389 to 187 ppm, and driving NPD turnaround from 240 to 180 days, all while sustaining 100% delivery compliance and 3 years of zero field failures. With lean flow improvements, digital pilots, welding automation, Kaizen-driven problem solving, and a reliability mindset strengthening every shift, this team stands as a benchmark of trust and craftsmanship. Let's celebrate the achievements of Belrise Unit 1202 at Chakan. Hearty congratulations as Mr. Balwant Chauhan and the Chakan team join us on stage. Okay, so our official photographer is Pranav and his team, but we've got a lot of unofficial photographers. Once again, requesting our unofficial photographers to take a picture from the side. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for the Belrise Unit 1202. You'd request Mr. Balwant Chauhan to say a few words.
Thank you very much. Well, before assessment, we were in belief that we are doing best in our industry, in our company. But when assessment was taken, we found that we have a lot of lacunas in comparison with the global standards. And after the assessments, we really worked out and tried to bridge the gaps, which finally resulted into so many improvements like deliveries, qualities, and of course profitabilities. So we'll continue this progress and improvements. Finally, there will be growth, profitability, and sustainability. Next time we look forward that we go to the next levels, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening. So I am feeling very proud that our 3 plants are recognized by the assessors. So this is the second plant. There is one more plant, 2 plants from Pune, and 1 plant from Aurangabad is recognized in the assessments. So at Belrise, we are associated with IMexI since last 5 years, and every year we are offering some plans for the assessments, and really we are getting a lot of benefits from the assessment, and we get the measurable and practical roadmap from the assessment. That is very important, on which we can work. And we have definitely worked and we have measured the improvements in the productivity quality after the assessment. That is very good part, and the IMexI stands out from the other assessments in this aspect. And I'm very much thankful to IMexI for assessment, the thorough assessment, and giving the inputs. They are also giving some strategic direction inputs, the operational inputs, which are really helping us in our journey towards excellence. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, and congratulations once again. May we request Mr. Chauhan to please move towards the exit for your bite. We would also like to say a big thank you to Mr. Kishore and to Mr. Devangan for joining us on stage. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Kishore and Mr. Devangan?